How to ignore messages and unignore messages on Messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily ignore the messages or unignore your messages on your Messenger application. So first thing, just head over to your Messenger application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just let's say I want to ignore this particular person's messages. So in that case, what I can do is you can long press on that particular person's profile just like this in from the chat menu, and you can see there's an option called mute. So you will not be seeing directly ignore option since the Messenger has removed it. So instead, alternatively, you can just tap on this mute button over here and you can just mute this person's messages or call notifications just like this, or you can also only mute messages or notifications as well. So based on your choice, you can simply click on it and click on OK, and it will ask you to for how long you want to mute or ignore this person. So I will just click on until I change it, and that means you won't be notified, or you will be ignoring this person's completely until you change or undo this by simply long pressing on it and once again clicking on mute from over here. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.